You might already know about starts with and ends with string methods. But did you know you can pass a tuple argument for these methods? Let us see a few examples. Consider this sample input string. First, let's see starts with and ends with examples with just one single string argument. So if I pass this, it should return true because this particular string is at the start of this input string. If I change it to something else, this is false because even though the string is present in the input, this is not at the start of the string. So this is false. Similarly, the endswith string method checks whether the given string is at the end of the input. So if I use ring, this is true because this particular string is at the end of the variable sentence. If I change it to something else which is not present at the end, this will return false. So now let me show an example with tuple arguments. Let me declare a list of words and let me create a tuple with some string arguments which I want to find at start or end. So if I write a comprehension with this tuple as the argument, so this should return all words which start with im or re or use. So you can see it returns three elements. This starts with re, this starts with im, and this starts with re again. If I change it to ends with, I'll get all the elements which end with any of these substrings. So this ends with use, this ends with re, and this ends with im. Hope you found this tip useful.